What is going on, guys? Sam Rudnick here. Today we're going to Costco because I gotta buy 1,000 bottles of distilled water. No, but seriously, we're going to Costco because we need some sausages for a Genghis Khan tomorrow. If you don't know what a Genghis Khan is, it's like the best barbecue thing ever in the world, and I'll show it to you in tomorrow's vlog when we're at Yashio Factory having the said Genghis Khan. But, I don't really know what to say, but we're going to Costco, we're gonna get some food, usual stuff, chill out, get a hot dog, because May really likes her hot dogs. Sorry, Courtney really likes her hot dogs. I'll see you in the, we'll pick it up from there. So we just finished shopping, and of course, I got May her favorite hot dog. Everything on there, onion, relish, mustard, ketchup, and then there's mine. We're gonna down these. You're gonna love it. And I also got this pineapple smoothie. This thing is amazing. Costco, you surprise me every single time. The most important part of this Costco run, the 4 and 20 beef pies, baby. Yum. So we're stuck in a bit of traffic on the way home, but I'm okay with that considering I got this nice Lotus to check out in front of me on the way. So some packages arrived at my P.O. box. This one's from someone in Japan. I crossed out everyone's addresses except my P.O. box address, so that's why I don't want anyone getting doxxed or anything like that. But this one's been opened by Japan Customs. There'll be like a marking here or something. Yeah, there it is. It says there, this postal item was opened by Customs for inspection and was repackaged by our post office. Why? Anyways, you guys send me stuff from time to time. I have my address in all of the video descriptions of my videos. Well, the P.O. box address, obviously. Let's try and get this open. It's just taped up. I love it when you guys send me stuff. Let's pour it out. One hint. Yes, finally! One of you, wait, what? That's so cool. It's a Ken Mary Japanese police car. I love that. See, we don't have these in Japan. What is going on, man? Is there anything else in here? No, that's everything. There's a letter, and there's mini scents. Laguna Breeze. Coronado Cherry. Oh man, if this smells anything like the normal cherry ones I love, then we're in business. Hang on, how do you open this? Am I gonna open this in the house and just stink the whole place out? Yes, I am. Sorry, May, not sorry. Hang on. I need to find out right now if this is a cherry I like. Oh my god, it is. Oh, who is this guy? Hang on, his name, Ryan. Dude, you are a freaking champion. Finally, someone sent me the right cherry air freshener that I love. Please, send me more of these guys if you want to send me something. Hang on, he wrote me a nice letter. Let's have a quick look at that. So I just finished reading the letter and it's pretty cool. I also love the fact here that he says at the bottom here, hopefully this helps with the coffee smell. And this was from a few months back when I spilt coffee in my car. Literally 2 days ago, I turned my passenger chair into a swimming pool of coffee at like 5:30 in the morning. On my way to Yashio Factory to go pick up that S14, I accidentally, when I was getting in the car, somehow I dropped the coffee. I mean, I was really tired, so I dropped the coffee and the lid popped off and filled my entire passenger seat with coffee, and now I've got a cleaner coming next week to clean my entire car because it's just everywhere. But one thing I do want to say, so I think that's funny that I spilt coffee again like 2 days ago and then these air fresheners came. So this seems to be the third time now I've like dumped coffee everywhere in my car. But anyways, ranting aside on the coffee, he does, he's into 3D printing and he has a ETSY page. I'm not too familiar with that site, but if any of you guys are interested in, I guess, getting him to 3D print you some stuff, it's ryanf518/etsy.com. Thanks so much, Ryan. Also, it sounds like he says he's got a 3-year-old son, which is awesome. Dude, wish you and your son all the best. Thank you so much for the air fresheners and the really cool Japanese police Ken Mary. That's epic. All right, let's get into the second package now. Everything smells like cherry. I'm just going to keep whiffing on that as we go through everything else. And this like breeze one, Laguna Breeze, I'm kind of interested in that too. All right, so this one came from in Japan because it's from Kuro Neko, Yamato, Kuro Neko. See the little cat there? Kuro as in black, Neko as in cat. It's kind of heavy. It says gear knob here, so that kind of ruins the surprise, but I wonder what it is. Hang on. One-handed vlogging life right now. Ooh. Whoa. There's a 5-yen coin in the top. It's kind of cool. I like that. What's this made from? It looks like it's been made pretty well. Red, black, I'm loving the 5 yen coin in the top. I think that's sick. It almost looks like a bullet shell, like a 50 cal bullet shell. Oh, there we go. I'm just got demonetized for saying that, but that actually is a pretty nice shifter. I don't know if it's going to work with what I'm doing with the interior in my car, but that's still really, really cool. That's something that I'm going to definitely keep on a shelf in my studio. Is there anything else? Oh, there's a little letter. Cool. I'm going to quickly open that, have a read, and we'll pick it up from there. So I just finished reading this, and I actually have spoken to this guy before on Instagram, I believe. But he makes these out of broken skateboards. So that's pretty cool. And he pretty much just says that if I don't like it, I can give it away in one of my channel giveaways. Hell no, man. This is definitely going on like a shelf in my studio when I get like a shelf behind the set and stuff for like all the cool things to have in the background. He also says that he had my R33.4 in mind when he made it. So I guess that's why it's kind of like red and black and stuff like that. It's very cool. I seriously love that 5 yen coin in the top. Either way, keep up the rad content you put out daily. No idea how you manage it. Me either, honestly. Speaking of which, I did take a day off today, but I did the live stream for the Yashio Factory stuff giveaway. So it doesn't really count. So Trent, thank you so much for this. And I guess if any of you guys are interested in getting a custom made shift knob, hit him up on Instagram, 7mpl_creations. That's so cool, man. Like, I'm definitely not giving this away or throwing it out. That's cool. Very sick. Time warping ahead, it is now the next day, and I'm currently heading to Yashio Factory for the Genghis Khan barbecue thing that I was telling you about, I think in yesterday's video when I was filming. Well, it's actually kind of the same video. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, we're heading to Yashio Factory, Genghis Khan, have some lunch. Probably not working on cars, but just chill. But I mean, it's Yashio Factory, so I'll probably end up working on cars. So we're gonna go there, have a good feed, show you guys something kind of cool. It's more of a, I don't know, is it Korean or Chinese? No, it's Mongolian, that's it. It's a Mongolian barbecue kind of thing. And I figure you guys would like to see it and just chill with everyone, so that's what we're gonna do. And there's a nice GC8. Oh my God, hang on, no, that's like a 22B. It has the little flappy thing in the roof. Was that really a 22B? Oh my gosh, all right. Anyways, Yashio Factory. I wanna go back and look at that car now. Anyways, Yashio Factory, Genghis Khan barbecue. I'll show you some cool food. Let's go. Just arrived at Yashio Factory, and we may or may not be turning this into a crazy cart. That would be so cool though, if it actually were. But no, we're just putting wheels on there so we can wheel the shell around because it's a piece of junk. But let me show you the start of the Genghis Khan. Just pretty much these like little furnace burny things, at least that's what I call them, but I think they're actually called the Genghis Khan. And it kind of looks like, I don't know, like a hat kind of thing, and that sits on top, and we're throwing a whole bunch of onion and lamb on there. Anyways, I don't really know how to explain it, but hot coals are burning in there. Spend a bit of time getting that going. And then once it gets cooking, I'll show you what it all looks like. But everyone's here from Okajuku, Oyama-san, Hoko-chan obviously, Kenji's here, Masashi's here, all the usual guys are here, and all their cool cars. So let's get started. So we got everything running now. We got the meat cooking, and this is all lamb, by the way, guys. It's gonna be awesome. Got like some bamboo shoots, bean shoots and stuff, onion on there, and all the epic sauces that then go over here. Oh man, this is epic. By the way, mine, the old Xbox 360 red ring to death, so it's out here. Anyways, it's gonna be an epic feast. We'll just look at that. Oh man, I can't wait. Look how good this looks, guys. I'm gonna have a piece of lamb. So pretty much this is like I would say like a Japanese barbecue sauce mixed in with a bunch of chili and fresh garlic and stuff. Awesome. Everyone's just chowing down, not much talk's happening, just a lot of eating. As I'm sure you guys can imagine, we're on to like, we're about to get another kilo of lamb right now. We're downing all of this. Well, things have escalated with the crazy Kart S14. The body's so rusted and bad that when we put it down, it couldn't handle the weight, and the member, I guess like the chassis rails just folded on themselves. So we're welding on some tabs to reinforce the rear wheels. Oko-chan's now reinforcing those wheels. Like I said, you can see the plates we're putting in there. All just so that we can wheel this thing out and around really easily and get it loaded onto a truck eventually when we take everything off it, but we've pretty much already stripped heaps off it. You need to be able to move it around still though. We got this thing on the ground and this is so sketchy. Not really, but we got no brakes, so we're trying to control it and this thing's like tilting all over the place and so unbalanced. But this is awesome. Alright, so that was a bit of fun helping Oko-chan get that thing rolling. He gave me this awesome apple, and I can't remember the Japanese word for the Japanese apple thing here. It's like a cross between a pear and an apple, and I don't know why autofocus isn't working. This is a Sony, it should like work instantly. But I did drop it recently, so hopefully that didn't break it. Anyways, we are heading back home now, so I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's just kind of been all over the place and a blend of 2 different days, so weekends are kind of like that for me. I've got so much going on the weekends, especially on Sunday. I'm extremely busy, but still, hope you enjoyed the video. Really chill vibes and just relaxing, and still doing a little bit of car stuff on the side, but also just daily life stuff. So once again, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you thought in the comment section, and if you got any things that you want to see over here that you haven't seen me put on the video yet, then please put a comment. Tell me what you want to see. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I think I said that already, but I'm a mess, so peace out. Jamata. Bye.